This tutorial will show you how to create links to your evidence for sell by and virtually any type of document you need to upload. I will also show you how to link to other websites or pages within your portfolio. I'll be demonstrating this on the teaching statement page, but this technique will work on any page of your portfolio, so please feel free to try this wherever you need it. We're going to start by clicking on the Edit tab in the Rich Text module that you have on your page, which is usually located in this area here of your portfolio, no matter what page you're on. Click on Edit, and then you should be able to start manipulating the text in here. So after you finish reading the instructions, you can go ahead and delete them. And you can either type in your text for that page. In this case, I would be putting in a teaching statement. So I'm just going to copy and paste it instead of typing it in. It does look like gibberish, but we're just going to pretend that this is my teaching statement. Once you have in the text that you need for that page, you can go ahead and start putting in your links. So you can use any of the texts that you want to create a link of, but it would probably need to make sense if, for example, let's pretend this says syllabus, and let's say you want this to link to your syllabus. You would go ahead and highlight that, and then you would use this button here to put in a specific file. We recommend that you put in PDF files instead of Word documents, but it's kind of up to you as to what you want to do with that. PDFs will actually open in a new window and they don't have to be downloaded, which is why we recommend PDFs. But you can put in different types of files as well. They will just have to be downloaded, and then the person would have to click on that to open the file to see it. So whatever file it is that you're trying to put, go ahead and click on this button here, choose your file. And for example, if I want to put the PDF version of my syllabus, I'm going to click on that and open, wait for it to complete, and then click on Insert. And now this is the link for my syllabus. So we're going to just highlight it and change it so it's a different color and so it stands out a little bit more. And so that's how that works. Then all you need to do is just save and publish. Publish changes. And when the person clicks on this link here, it should open the document in a new tab, if indeed it is a PDF. So going back to this page here, let's click on Edit. And now I'm going to show you how to put in a link to either a website, or you can link to a specific page within your own portfolio if you want to. So let's pretend this is going to be a link to a website that you want to, introduce. All you need to do is again highlight the text that you want it to be, that you want the link to be. Then instead you'll be using this button over here that says Insert/Edit Link. Then it's going to ask for the link URL or the web address. Make sure you go find that, or you can type it in if you know what it is. So I'll pretend that we're trying to link to the school's website. So you're going to, in the web address, just copy the address, go back to your Digication, and then go ahead and paste it. And you can set the target if you want it to be in the same window or new window. I recommend in a new window so you don't lose the page that the person is currently on. Click on Insert, and again, you don't need a title here. And once that's in, you can go ahead and highlight it and change the color of that, and that should be it. Make sure then you save and publish. I will hold on this just because I want to show you another one before I save and publish, but if at this point you can save and publish, please feel free to do so. I'm going to pretend that this link now is going to take us to a different page. So in this case, let's pretend that I want to link to my CV, and my CV is already on this page here for whatever reason. I'm going to try to open this in another tab. That way I can grab that link there. So right click and open in a new tab, and you should have a new tab pop up on top of your tabs here, and just look for that page. So I can either go ahead and just right click on this link here and copy the address, or I can actually click on that and grab the link that's in here and copy that as well. It's the same thing. Go back to your first Digication page where you are working on and do the same thing where you have this highlighted. Click on the button here, paste, and set your target, and click on insert. And so now this should be a link. You can change the color of that if you want to, and go ahead and save and publish that, and publish changes, view text. And so now this will take us to the SLCC website, or whatever website that you're trying to link to, in a new tab. And this one will take us to that CV page. And so there you have it. That's how you link to evidence.